Welcome aboard again. It is July 11th. Car show tomorrow, so I'm going to go get the Corvette a little bit more ready. I just got to straighten out the exhaust and that should be about it. But today it's really beautiful out. It's only like 73, 74 degrees out right now. Overcast, as you can see. Beautiful day. Beautiful. Would have been a perfect day for the car show. Hopefully it's like that tomorrow. But we're going out to the garage and put on a new door lock because I don't lock this thing. I should. I know I should. But I don't lock it because I never have a key with me. There's that beautiful car. Huh? But I never have the key with me when I want to come out here. So I'm going to be putting on an electronic one that connects to Wi-Fi. I'll be able to control it with my phone. It's got thumbprint. It's got all kinds of good stuff with it. So I think we're going to straighten out the exhaust first, and I'll be back for the door lock. That's what this video is about, is the door lock. So I'll be back. Alright, I got a little ahead of myself. I already took this part off. So, installation manual. I guess I better read that first, huh?
That's when they say, oh, well, we're the manufacturer. You have to call the installer for that problem. Or vice versa. We're the full service replacement window division of Anderson. With us, there's no
adjust this.
I renew by Anderson.
Should be easy to adjust, I guess.
And save 20% on entry doors. Plus, take 100%
Well, that was easy enough.
your entire purchase.
It's got a latch, a sting here. You just turn it, slide it, lock it back in, turn it, pull it out for the door that I have. Should be good now, hopefully. Yep, we are good to go now. Get the screws in here. Too much junk in this corner. Or like they say, too much junk in the trunk. I don't know. Definitely too much junk over here though. That was easy and we're done. No, really. Install exterior assembly. They are the right screws. They're going to be too long now, honestly. I've been known to be wrong before. Of course, I always make a mistake. I got the backing plate. We'll be good now, though. Oh, look, it's clouds. I got my electric screwdriver out, huh? Straight. Looks pretty straight to me. Alrighty. We got the front of it on. As you can see, I got the rubbed oil look. I really like that look a lot better than the regular black and stuff, so hopefully it'll work out. It just slides off. Looks like I need some batteries. Do not load battery until lock is completely installed. Insert the cable connection into the socket. Push the connector in firmly until it completely attaches. Only goes in one way, so we're good there. And we're locked in. Turn the thumb knob in vertical position and torque blade is horizontal. We've got that, so that's horizontal. and that is vertical. Attach interior assembly to the mounting plate and tighten 3 screws. Wrong screwdriver. So far it's all working out pretty good, but you gotta remember it's me doing this, so it works pretty smoothly too. Alrighty. Got to press and hold the reset button before we install the last battery. Let's see if the key works. Alright, key works. Let's put this cover back on here real quick. And we got a look at working mechanism now. Anywho, that door lock is installed. I think it looks pretty good. I just need to figure out how to do this code stuff. Fingerprint. And we will be using the fingerprint, because a lot of times I forget my key. Auto programming. Press this button twice and enter the default master code. Default master code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is required that you change it to a code of your own program for programming. When setting is unsuccessful, the indicator light will flash red. That works. Did you see that code? I'm sorry, I'll have to blur that out, huh? Alright, well, it's in for the most part. Oops. I gotta cut that out a little bit more. Alright, we got the lock working. Gotta hold any button for 2 seconds and it should lock. There we go, it's locked. That's fingerprint. Unlocked. Locked again. Then we'll punch in our code as soon as the lights go out. And we're unlocked. So now we're going to put this on. Kind of a cool handle, huh? I don't mind these handles at all, but should probably just leave what's on there on there. If this new door handle doesn't work out, I'll just put this one back on. But it should. I thought about painting my door, but I figured, well, it's just a garage door, so let's go ahead and leave it the way it is. That's gonna be like the old one, huh? It says you can adjust this thing. Oh, this thing just moves. Huh? That thing moves. Isn't that amazing? I made the thing. There we go. There we go. Did you see that? That would have been fun to figure out, wouldn't it? There we go. All right, let's give it a shot, shall we? Alrighty. That looks pretty good now. It's locked. Oh, we're locked out. What do you think of that door handle? I think that looks pretty good. So now I got a secure door. Yeah, clean up some of the grease. Now I can lock it without having to worry about getting the key. Yep, I like that. So that little project's done. I'm gonna put that other handle back in that box this one came in case I need it. I shouldn't, but now I gotta go mow the yard. So as always, stay great, and we'll see you on the next one.